put our mask on, let's sanitize our hands, and let's... So this is my weekly shopping. Here in the middle, this is all 15 to 20 pounds. This is from Sainsbury's. Sadly, I actually lost the receipt, so I don't have it to show to you guys, but I don't know why I should let that this way. So this is the options that you use to collect. This is one of the trolleys that we have. All the trolleys here are always locked, so whenever you come shopping you always need £1, or sometimes they have like the fake ones. I don't have any today, so I won't be able to use this big one. And we have the other ones over there. So this has it. These are the ones that we normally use. These ones you just pull around and you don't need no pound to access them, you just get it. I ate all them cannot step in the car, look on that now. Wait, let me do my intro now. The camera clear really? Camera. Hey guys, I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait. We'll go clean here. True. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually doing some grocery shopping together. I'm in Aldi. I'm not Aldi, where am I? I'm in Lidl today, so we're just gonna be doing some shopping. Some of you guys requested a cost in London video, so this is something like that, but just grocery shopping edition. So we're literally just gonna do a little quick walk through. I'm gonna be telling you guys the prices, what works for me, what doesn't. And to be completely honest, I feel like I only just, if I have, started getting the hang of this grocery thing, because I normally just overbuy and waste the stuff, or they expire before I eat it, or when I buy it I don't crave it. It's just been a hot mess. So let's go shopping. Okay, so I'm going to put up the conversion for all of my Jamaican and American subscribers. But this is a bunch of scallion. You know I do normally get this at the market. We don't have any market nearby, or we don't have any time to go to any rather. So like scallion we can grab here, and that's 37p for the scallion. Like I said, the conversion will be on the screen. So in the UK we have a few shopping options. We have Lidl, we have Aldi, we have Tesco, we have Sainsbury, we have Marks and Spencer. When I was living at home, I normally shop at Asda or Tesco, because those were the closest ones and the most affordable ones. Now that I'm living with my housemate, we typically go to Lidl because that's the cheapest, and we're trying to save our coins. Okay, it's expensive in London, so Lidl is the cheapest one. And this is actually a university hack. Like my friends normally tell me about going to Lidl and stuff, freezing the food. Like the money just stretch when you're there. Lidl, the money stretch, man. You can probably get 2 full bag of groceries from Lidl for £20, and you literally get a bag of fruits from Sainsbury's for £20. Yeah, that was me yesterday. I'll show you guys my Sainsbury's grocery haul when we're back in the house. This is just trying to find the perfect avocado. The avocado is not that great like the ones in Jamaica. Yeah, that's the next thing, like, guys. The fruits here and the fruits and the vegetables here, they have no scent. Like, you know, in Jamaica, if you're walking past mango, you know, say you're past a mango stall. Yeah. You can't really smell it here. Even when it's a go off, you don't smell it. There's food, some of them that have no scent. Just ready to eat, and when you cut it, it's not good. But that would have nice with the salmon though. Yeah, that I'm going to do. You have salmon? No, I buy salmon. I'm going to eat after bread with you. I'm going to have a bagel. The bagel could have worked, but then the open, the miglar. No, I'm eating with the bagel, with the avocado, the bagel. Right around the rim? You put lemon on top? Squeeze it? Like, look at it, like some drops, the lemon. Just to give that a little zest. I'm going to try that. And as we were saying about fruits and vegetables, guys, like shopping in Lidl is fine, but I don't think it's the best place for fruits and vegetables. And now I'm really trying to like cleanse my gut and like cut down on how much meat I eat. So I really just get my fruits from Sainsbury's, just because the quality is a lot better. And I find out with Lidl, like when they have packages like this, normally like at least one of the fruits are gone off. like at least one of them.
And
So,
then once one gone,
and you know how it
everything
go.
goes.
Yeah, once one of the fruit done gone, everybody gone because it's packaged closely together. I could have eat some cabbage. I could have steamed some cabbage or I need to have them there. I really, guys, this is the equivalent to Jamaican cup soup. If you know about Jamaican cup soup, this is the UK equivalent. Like, this is just such a quick snack, especially if you're living by yourself. Like, hey, do the magic. And that is for, how much is it? Pot noodles. I don't know why they put it all the way up here, but the pot noodles are 59p. The conversion will be on the screen. I don't even know what the price is in Jamaica now, cause boy, the economy stay away. I need some tuna. I need some tuna in sunflower oil. This one. So you see, like stuff like this now, I don't really care about the brand because tuna is tuna, and I find that even the little brand, I all eat the same. And that's what, 49p, and you get 4. If you're going to Iceland, you get the 4 for £1. So we are saved 50p or so. See, you can hear the Jamaican them anywhere there. One onion. 3 onion. I get the big bag.
Other onion?
Yeah.
You can get the 3 one. We'll pay 60p for the same potato in a way near me.
Where? That's literally like half. But you leave it and look again.
In a Sainsbury's, I buy potato the other day. Because I don't like buy the big one, I only like buy it when I eat it.
Oh, until I just have it.
Like when it go off.
You don't like when it grows?
No.
They root them?
No. So that's
Never
why I
mind.
really buy it.
Never mind, we cut them off and eat it.
Just buy it when let me see how it feels.
By the time you walk back, but I double the price, them road.
Yeah. So that means some things kind of like cheaper here and then other things
A bit more pricey
yeah.
in thingy. We have pasta for sure. That's not on my list.
You have my pancake mix
I say you feel?
for breakfast.
Look how we say we have my cupcake. Goody just remember the list.
Just a tip, make sure you write like a list. So what we do is write like a grocery list and then things that I'm gonna need for the week, and then write down like the plan, dinner plan, breakfast plan, and then like snack. So that way when you really buy grocery, you know when you buy grocery sometimes and you go home and you have nothing to eat. I don't want that.
So you just make it easy on yourself.
So to make it easy, you actually have food to eat. You just write down what you're gonna need. You get it from there, so you can't hungry. So that's how it goes.
I'm gonna get 1 pack of bacon, yeah? £2.59 for a twin pack. This is what me and Lisanna used to buy when we used to buy groceries together, and we literally would only eat 1 pack and the other pack would go off. So that was a waste of money. Like the twin pack, if you have a big family, this makes a lot of sense, but if I just you and yourself, you're honestly not going to have so much bacon. For £2.50. Let me see if I can find a single pack. See, this all have a price cut. This looks like me. £1.39. And that's breakfast or lunch. I've been eating this a lot lately, so I have half a pack of this left at home, so I won't get any more bacon. Pork. Oh, that's annoying. And you're craving that. Yeah, I think. Yes, I think I'm supposed to get the chicken and put it in the oven. Boy, I can't bother with life, so I decided not to eat sometime because sis. Anna me. You want somebody to call you? I actually don't need a whole chicken, so I just want to get the small one. Alright, let me get the thigh. I know thigh this in, but let me get the chicken thigh. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna go home and season it and see how it go. So I'm gonna get this for £1.65. Yeah, and the chicken thighs for £1.65. This is my meat for the whole week. I don't need any more meat in my system. The only thing I need to get now is the prawns, the coconut milk, callaloo, some frozen corn. What may I eat? This is a wickedness, you know. £3 for that little thing. This is actual wickedness. This is what you call wicked. So but you go to Iceland and you get the big pack. You ever have this?
What
Peppered smoked mackerel fillet. I tried it one time. It was a bit weird. I know my taste bud them a bit different. They consider, yeah, I know.
Yeah, I was saying. When you go to supermarket, the annoying thing is you can't really find everything where you need in other shop. So you're gonna have to go to like different shop to pick up what you want. Or some shop might sell things better like fruits, vegetables, them they kinda better at other shops than
Sainsbury's.
so you really have to like go somewhere else.
And we not like that.
No. You want like a one-stop shop where you know so you can get everything. But if you do that at Sainsbury's, then you know so your bill are gonna be like so high. Because it's really expensive. So that's why you get some things here. And then other things at Sainsbury's where you know say you kinda have to get at Sainsbury's because it's better quality. Not just Sainsbury's, M&S.
I'm not really sure about M&S unless I go for a specific snack.
Them price, yeah.
Cause them price is not in my tax bracket.
Very pricey.
What the smoked cheese there? Cause I don't have no cheese other than the cheddar one. Let me go grab that. I said let me get this to put in the oven for today.
Okay.
And then I can just put some chips with it. I don't really want to rice. I wonder, was this the one?
This one?
With paprika? Yes. But it was really nice.
Yeah.
Are you and Jenna like get me into this flavor some cheese in her? Cause honestly,
No man. Even the blue cheese nice, blue cheese.
the thought of it alone can make me gag.
Blue cheese with meat and crackers.
I'm not there yet.
Proper.
Give me 2 more years.
Need some juice.
The juice them I wanted to, but don't you have some juice there?
Yeah, I know you have to.
Alright, I'm in a minute. I need to get some milk. I don't have no milk for my cereal. Let me try this one. Apple and mango. I want to get an orange so I can make some cocktails, and I need to get orange and some other things. Oh my god, you know what I want us to get? I want to get the let me see, what is that?
Lemonade.
That's a good nice picture. But we're not in the room. I left the room over DJ. We have vodka.
They say that.
This and something there.
This coconut water disgusting.
Is it?
Yeah. Tasting like I think dirty water.
Really?
The coconut water here in the Paradise is not good.
It's not really coconut. I don't buy it, you know. I have no interest.
Disgusting.
Oh god, thank god. Because that would scar me for life. I'd be like, no, I can't drink coconut milk. No, I can't drink coconut water. This is the milk that Lidl have, so I normally have to go like either Iceland or Sainsbury's to get the Alpro, either coconut, vanilla, almond, yeah, or those are the ones that I drink. but Lidl literally don't stock them. I don't know why. They don't really have organic options in Lidl for milk. It's mostly like skimmed, semi-skimmed, stuff like that. Not the All Pro. I don't want the almond. The almond I did have the last time.
Okay.
But I didn't see it anyways.
What, the All Pro?
Yeah.
What flavor is it? You can think it's a night time.
But just calm down the day.
Yeah. From here to the proper one. Oh, come on, in a disco. Lavender leaf. Soothing and gentle. Wow.
We call it chamomile.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I would say with confidence the chamomile.
Yeah. I chamomile.
I don't know what we mean.
Yeah, rename it, yeah. You know, when I see it, I even look for any name, pronounce it.
I know. We can try it and see. Since you're already trying that one, see what the brand is saying. You know, sometimes the brand a bit watered down. Let me look back for my list to see. I don't see the milk. I don't see the condensed milk.
Where did you get condensed milk from the last time?
Literally, like my brain, all over the place, right? We already got fruits. We already got milk. I've got waffle at home, and I've got like 4 more bread. So I'm not gonna get any bread. We got the scallion. I wanted to get salami.
No.
Because I feel like doing a little cheese board sometime this week. So I wanted some meat on it. I need to get some biscuits. You know the one I got. But I can eat with my cheese and my butter. The last one they done so quick. So guys, this is what we have. This is my little section. That is Liz's section. I'm guessing that this is probably gonna come up to about
12 pounds?
probably 10-12 pounds, 13 pound max.
I mean, I think 36.
No, I said 10 to 13 max.
Okay.
Still in my budget.
Mine probably less than. Yeah.
I don't know why she left that this way. Yeah. What am I for do? What am I cherry reach? I'm coming in, sir. This is oh hi, sorry I wasn't recording you, but hi. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. This is at 12 pounds. She said no more than 16. Oh yeah, it you passed 16. That's expensive, little.
Yeah.
18 pounds, but 2 pounds more, that's not actually bad. Alright, let me quickly bang out mine, guys. I'll check in back with you either when I'm at the market or if I'm at Iceland. So guys, now we're in Savers and I literally just popped in to get some luxury gel to foam body wash. This is a body wash. I've never tried this specific scent, but I normally use the brand and it is sensational. It lasts me really long, like normally 2 months plus. Good be to get out of this. Liz came to get some
Serene body wash.
some body wash.
And Red Bull to give me some wings.
So this is a store called Savers and it's almost like a little mini haberdashery, but what do you call it? I don't know. Not really haberdashery because they sell everything. Well, it's called Savers.
Just sell it a little bit cheaper than like a cleaning products, and so you can get it from Savers.
Sanitary products, cleaning products, personal products. All of those little bits and bobs you can get from Savers and it's way cheaper. So whenever we need cleaning products for the house or if I need sanitary items, I always pop in here. Perfumes always have really good discounts. Sometimes I have little hit and miss makeup like that. You know, black people not gonna really find them shade this, so but if you're white you'll find a shade and you'll actually save a lot. So after Savers then we're gonna go to Iceland to grab some frozen bits. Iceland has the best frozen bits. Frozen vegetable, frozen prawns, frozen seafood, everything frozen. Frozen pizza. That's Iceland, so let's check this out. Yeah.
Yeah, that's $1.95 today. Any fragrances for yourself?
Not today, but can I just check out by card, please, if that's okay?
That's okay.
Yep. This is what Iceland looks like. Okay, so the prawns them here. So may I tell you now? Instead of paying £3 for the small, like literally half of this instead of paying £3 in Lidl for half of this, you come to Iceland, you get a big jumbo prawn, big pack for £5. Sometimes they get two. Sometimes they get two of them. The value of the money are 3, like any 3 of these, they get to the £10. That one.
So I'm gonna do the curry coconut, I'm gonna put up like potato in it and stuff. So the fine one, I think the fine one is the same. Are these the same thing?
No, one bigger than the other, then the small, then they're bigger. Oh no, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
The prawn, I mean, this look bigger though, naturally.
You reckon? Oh, it said the same thing, large. I mean, the wrong place.
And if you want jumbo, you can get that for £8. So Iceland, the land of the frozen. Oh, we said we wanted the for the £1.
Let me know one in fly.
Okay.
But the whole one right there, so the big top, this make more sense?
Same for the £1.
You don't think this make more sense?
That make no sense.
That's the same one for about £1 something.
But even that would have nice to just boil and up on the side.
Yeah. But I used to get half of this, so yeah, the rest of from waiting. Let me try the taste and see if it tastes the same. And it's not expiring. Let me try this. I'm green beans, I like to boil them and then put them in the oven with like salt and pepper.
I know that style there, but I just never know how you achieve it. I get my meat, I never even boil it. Oh yes, so many there, the sweet corn and cook. Oh yes, Lord. This I can make with little ackee and saltfish problem. With some sweet potato and some sweet. Some got me just take them out because we not naturally. Yeah. Go out with them in here and see this struggle.
I don't want nobody to tell me about
them come say it to me. I'm tired of them. Yeah, I know them still, but I still do it. No, I'm tired of them. And them come say it to me. Alright, are we this done, Lissy? This is the milk options that we have today. I'm gonna see if I can find the coconut, almond, or vanilla. Oh yes, sit at me here. Sit at me here. This is the one I was referring to, guys. This is the one I drink. Coconut. I never tried the oats before. Never tried the soya. But I only want coconut, so I probably gotta send me a little sign. So I'm gonna take it up. Thank you, Jesus. See, literally the last one. Thank you, Jesus. Yes, please. So I'm gonna check out them now. I'm gonna check back my list to make sure I'm on track, and then I get a little crisp on some of them, then I'm gone. Okay, so this is where it gets pretty expensive. If you want to get your Caribbean food, your African food, any food that reminds you of home, the price is absolutely out of this world. I normally just get bits and bobs when I'm treating myself, like my little ackee. Like now that I eat it, I probably won't buy it again for another 2-3 months, then I can squeeze and buy it again, because the price with them I ask for little tin ackee and the free treat them with the Jamaica, my pocket just can't allow me to do that, you understand? Correlation add up. So let's put our mask on, let's sanitize our hands. And so As you can see, a bag of red grapes is £1. This is actually cheaper than inside, but at the bottom of it I can guarantee you that everything is rotten. Everything pretty on top, everything on the bottom rotten. So long term you actually spend a lot more than you would if you buy it here. Yeah, you have ackee and saltfish? Kalaloo. That's what I want.
Kalaloo fresh one or tin one?
The tin one.
Tin one, yeah, then it's there.
Alright, let me come in. Alright. Let's go get the ackee.
£5? Sorry.
Yeah. Let me see. I just need to get the ackee and saltfish, the kalaloo, and the plantain.
£5 around here?
You have yam?
Yam outside, yeah.
Okay. I'm moving quick. But I the drum. Yeah, so. See
Are
there?
you going £5 in the...
5 for £1.
No, it's not the
So the thing with this is that it's definitely cheaper than the supermarket, but it's a lot more expensive than back home.
Anything with the money back. No, money back one.
I want to get some green and can I mix the plantain, the green and the ripe one for £5?
Yeah, 3 for a pound. And this is £5 for a pound.
Yes, so can I mix that? 3 ripe and green.
That's only 3 for a pound.
I don't want 3. I don't need 5. Green, ripe.
Yeah, 30 pence. We can. How many you want of green?
Just 2 ripe, 2 green.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah?
So okay.
Yeah.
May I add 2 green and 2 ripe compound?
No. Alright, so we can get 2 green plantain, 2 ripe plantain, the ackee and saltfish, and the yam.
2 green and 2 ripe, yeah, for 1 pound.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm just gonna give you guys a very quick grocery haul just to summarize everything that happened today, to show you guys what I actually got and how much it came up to. The tripod is just a little bit lower now because I want you guys, tripod is a little bit lower now because I want you guys to be able to see everything behind of me, and I'm just gonna take a seat next to you guys. Okay, ignore the haters. So let me bring you guys close, all right? So in the middle, this is all 15 to 20 pounds. This is from Sainsbury's. Sadly, I actually lost the receipt, so I don't have it to show to you guys, but Sainsbury can be very expensive, but one thing that they do sell is quality items, so I prefer to just bite the tongue, bite the bullet, and just force myself to buy some quality fruits because it saved me a lot in the long run. Over here we have the Savers bit. I got this from Savers. I told you guys I really like using this foam. First time using this scent, or this fragrance rather, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. This actually came up to, let's see, this came up to £1.95, right? So £1.95. I'm gonna put the calculations on the screen. This £1.95, the mind sheen soup carp. This we got from Lidl, and like I told you guys, Lidl is where we go, where I go most of the time. So I've got my apple and mango juice, I've got orange juice. I'm looking forward to making a few cocktails this week, just something to look forward to. So I'm definitely going to be using the orange juice. I got this is the second time buying this is the fry light. I use it when I'm frying egg, plantain, anything that doesn't need a lot of oil. Well, plantain need a lot of oil, not plantain. What else uses on fry? Why my brain not work? Okay, so here's the fry light. This is a nice substitute to having everyday oil. This is what you'd use if you're frying egg, anything like that, mackerel, a little mixed veg. This is perfect for that. This is actually our second one. The first one that we got lasted us for about 3 months, and it was a pretty cost effective. It saved us a lot, and it's also a healthier option to, you know, the normal cooking oil. I got some eggs. I don't really eat eggs often, so my eggs normally last me at least 2-3 weeks, so this will last me for 2 weeks. I got me some bacons. I told you guys that I already have the sliced one. I'll show you guys that in a minute or in another vlog. Onions for the house, scallion for the house. This pot noodle, little lunch option. Crackers. I may make a nice cheese and cherry cat board. Pronounce it. Yes, I may make a nice cherry cat board this week, a cheese board, so I just got some crackers to fill it up. I got some tuna. This is perfect. Pasta, anything quick like that. Tuna sandwich, tuna and sweet corn, you know, tuna very versatile. I'm actually going to be making this chicken today. Yo, don't judge me. I normally buy them something here from the supermarket. I normally got the butchers, but we don't have a good butchers in your way. I told you guys, the further away you are from in London is the harder it is to get certain stuff. And I don't really like buying meat from everywhere, anybody, so I don't really find a good butcher yet. So for now, I'll just have to stick with these ones. But today I'm just going to put it in the oven, probably put some Derricka seasoning on it, and just have it dry. And then I can have it in the week to add to my burger sandwiches, or I could just have it in some wraps or even a salad. I think that's pretty quick. Obviously, I told you guys, if you are new here, by the way, I really would recommend you chopping up your mixed peppers and freezing them. Usually we have them in a Ziploc bag, but these days we just haven't gotten around to it, so we just buy it. It's the same money. So £1, and they give you a good selection. These some jumbo prawns. You guys know I'm not really eating meat, so fish and those stuff, yeah, that's my bag right now. So the prawns this week, either I'm going to make some coconut curry prawns, or I'm thinking to either do sweet chili prawns, and then I can have it with some spaghetti and some mixed vegetable. It's really nice, but I like prawns because it's just quick for cook. This and another look at tea, gonna put over the bar area in a minute. And then I also have some frozen corn. This is all from Iceland, by the way. Over this side is Iceland, just to show you guys, and over here is Lidl. Lidl total came up to £16. Iceland total came up to about £6. Not actually bad. And I actually got the coconut milk this week. I told you guys I don't drink dairy milk anymore at all. So the coconut milk is a great substitute for that. I got me some Haribos. Honestly guys, don't judge me, but I got this pack because I want to put some in a vodka and have it soak. The last time me and Liz had it, and it wasn't bad. The Afro-Caribbean stuff. So I'm gonna get some sweet potato. Honestly, I love sweet potato because I'm tired of the rice now. I'm tired of the dumplings. So sweet potato, may I work with that a lot these days. Saltfish, you guys already know. I love going for the skinless and the boneless option because it just gives me less work for prepare. I also got some plantain, ripe plantain and green plantain. So I could have fried this week and have with something. And I could have also boiled the plantain for have some hard food. And I got ackee. I'm really looking forward to cooking ackee. So I don't know, maybe I'll do a nice little morning vlog for you guys while I'm making the ackee and saltfish. But you know when I crave something, me and the ackee right now. And I also got some callaloo. I don't really like the Tropical Sun brand, but you know you have to make it work too. You don't really have much option right now. And all of that, look how that plant here big. In total, looking at this looks like at least 40 to 50 pounds worth of food. So it will last over 2 weeks, or at least, you know, so for 1 week we're gonna eat really good this week. So let me see it go. I'll let you guys know, but I feel like this is proper grocery shopping. I have a lot of options to make a lot of meals this week, and it's not the usual meat. It's not really boring, and it's not anything that takes up too much time. So I should eat good, you know, we should be eating good. So yeah, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up or share it with people that you've, oh god. Okay, by the way, a big tip for you guys is that alongside with freezing the mixed sweet peppers, we also freeze our country pepper, we also freeze our mixed vegetables, so like carrots, beans, sweet corn, like the single ones, we freeze all of those, so it actually serves us really long. And lately we're going to try to freeze food as well, just so we don't have to get up and cook every day or take up the space in the fridge. But we let you guys know how that goes, because we don't really like freeze up the food them, because I don't know, something about it not sound right. I like when it's fresh and nice. Anyways, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share it with anyone. I feel like university students would really like to see this video, so if you got anybody going to uni or school, you know, you can show them how to do a bit of grocery shopping. Or if you have someone that's thinking about moving to the UK, this is a perfect video for them, because the cost of living compared to the Caribbean, 2 different ball game of everything expensive. But that's all from me today, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.